Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about the comparison operators in MongoDB. Well, what are these comparison operators? Well, it is used to compare the values, the data which are present, and based on that, finding the documents, right? So earlier we learned about the equality and inequality operator where we were searching for the document which are exactly equals to that particular value, right? Or the condition that we give. But this time we use these different operators, which is $gt, which is for the greater than, $lt, which is for the less than, and $gte, which is for the greater than or equal, and $lte, which is for less than or equal, right? So as the name describes what these are used for, exactly it works the same, right? So let's go to the MongoDB shell and understand that how it works. So we are inside our office database, right? If I check for the collection here, collections, so you can check only one collection is there, which is the users, right? So inside the user, which data I'm having, let me show you. So this is what I have as a data or the document, right? All the documents are like this, where the keys are the name, age, and city, right? And yeah, this is all. So let's go and let's see that how it works. So first of all, I'm going to show you the greater than operator. So for the greater than, we use the $gt, right? So we need to write it like this, that is db.users.find, put a bracket like this. After that, put the curly bracket and the age, then $gt, which is 20, right? And let's close everything and like this, got it, right? So what it is doing, that it is helping me to find the user is our collection name, right? So from the user, it is helping me to find those document where the age mentioned is greater than 20. So what are these? If you check, then there's only one document where the age is less than 20, which is for the Anita. That means the Piyush and the Aman are the right result. So let's see that whether we are going to get that or not. So press enter and you can check. This is what we got, right? So this is what we wanted also. So yeah, now let's do one thing. Let's check for the other operator, which is for the less than, right? So if I put it LT here rather than GT, I put the LT in that particular case. Okay, sorry, you can see I got the Anita this time, right? Yeah, so this is how it is working. Now let's go to the next part, which is greater than or equal. That means GTE, that is $GTE, right? So let's do one thing that okay, let me just clear it out, or I just copy it. Okay, let's copy it and put CLS, and everything is clear. Now let's place it like this, and I want the greater than or equal, so GTE, and I want to put the age which is already mentioned here, so let's take it as 22, right? So if I want that all the document where the age is greater than or equals to 22, give me that, right? So just press enter, you can check. I got the age 22 also, I got the age 25 also. Why? Because it is greater than or equals to. Correct. Now the last one, which is for the less than or equals to, you can simply write here LTE like this, right? And if you press enter, you can check. Less than 22, which is for the Piyush, as it is having the age as 22, and for the Anita, which is having the age as 18, right? So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood the comparison operator very beautifully. So this is all. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Take care.